So guys, today I'm here at Home Depot and I'm gonna buy uh, a can of varnish for my Sansui speakers, and we're gonna go inside and check the different color and different types of varnish so I can pick one that I need for my Sansui. So this is part 2 of my video. And so guys, I'm here in the Home Depot and I'm looking for the right stain for my speakers, different types, and I'm gonna pick which one here. So I'm thinking of this one here, and I'm gonna pick other stain here. It's gonna take time. Yeah, one of this 8 of this wheels to connect it, to mount it to underneath the Sansui speakers. Yeah. So I changed my mind. I picked this golden oak, and I did not get the first choice that I was thinking that it would be best for this speaker. And now I decided to get this golden oak. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna mix this can of golden oak wood stain, and we're gonna varnish this piece, and we're gonna make it look nicer and look more newer. So first things first, guys, I have this brush, and what are we gonna do here? We're gonna open this and we're gonna mix it and we're gonna apply it. So we're gonna use this brush like that. Okay, very simple to do. And then later I'm gonna work on this one here, because you can see that it's faded, and we're gonna use the other brush that I have, and we're gonna paint it like that all over to make it look nicer again, like that, the insides all over. So very easy to do. So now we're gonna open this piece, we're gonna open this can, and we're gonna mix it. So I was just thinking, I don't need to open this and mix it inside. So what I can do is just shake this like this, like that, and that would do the work. Yeah. And we will open this piece, we will open this can here. Okay, so let's open this can. Yeah, make sure that you have to be careful opening this can here, because I don't want to, yep, like that, little by little. Okay, there you go. So it's opening, and you just have to be careful. If you can use tripod to hold your video cam or your cell, use tripod, because I'm not using tripod. So there it is, almost done. There you go. So I have a feeling that this speaker is gonna look nice. So let me open this, guys, and so there it is. It's open. As you can see inside, it's not too dark, which that's the one I prefer, golden oak. And we're gonna test it. Let's get the brush and we will see. Okay, because I don't want to make it too dark like the original. So let's start from over here. There you go. So you can see. Yeah. So this time, guys, I'm using brush because I want it to look different. Like when you use a cloth, it's gonna be very refined. So I want to make it look, different. Yeah. There you go. Very easy, very simple. And you can just do it like that. Okay. So I'm gonna do the whole thing, and then if there's left over, I'm gonna use it for the front cover. Very, very, yeah, cool. And I like the color of this one. So I finished the top part, so you can see. Yeah, looks very different from before, and it looks more cleaner. And now I'm working on this here. So what I'm doing here, guys, I'm just getting the insides of this cover here to make sure that, you know, it's varnished inside to make it look nicer. So you can see the difference from before. Yeah, very cool. So this is very easy to do. It takes time, but you just have to be patient. There it is. And when it's done, you will see, yeah. So let me finish this and I will get back to you when it's done. You guys will see the difference. You can already see the difference from before and after. So there it is, guys. I varnished the top part and the front, the corners, so you can see. Nice, very nice looking. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful compare to this one here. But this one has this looks that is an old looks that I like. But I have to varnish this because the original color is the golden oak, and it looks much better than before. Yeah. So what do you think, guys? And now all I have to do is this side, finish the side, yeah, and finish the other side and the other one. Yeah, very nice looking and very clean. So you can see the top, the old looks, like the very old looks with like a lot of, I don't know what kind of stuff that it's on the top here many years ago, and I sanded, took it all out, and now it's way better. Yeah, so I'm happy with the outcome, and it looks very clean. And I have another SP2000 in the garage, so I have 4 Sansui speakers, and this one is SP1500 and the other one is SP2000, and I'm using the Sansui what do you call this, Sansui receiver. Yeah, so there it is, guys. So now I'm doing the sidings, the sides of the speaker, and you start from the bottom or from the top, and you just keep repeating brushing like that. Eventually, yeah, as you can see. And that's how I do it. Or if you have another way how to do it, then so be it. But when it's done, it's gonna look nice. Yeah. So the speaker looked way better than, you know, before, because it was dirty already, and you can see there's scratches and deep, you know, dents, and you can tell that it's really kind of like beat up. But I sand it, and I take my time, and you know, it would be better if I have the sander like the machine, because the work will be more quicker. But I don't have, you know, the sander, so I use my hands to sand this speaker, the wood, yeah, the box. So there it is, guys. You can see getting there. Okay, so just go one way like this, back and forth, and it's gonna look fine. Yeah. So if you want to look your speakers to look better than, you know, before, many years ago, you can just sand it and, you know, varnish it. Yeah, look at that, guys. Very nice already. And I still have to do the other one right there. So something to do if you're not busy, you know. I mean, this vintage speaker is not easy to find, so I have to take care of it because I love these speakers, and they are pricey if you buy it online, especially in eBay. Yeah, or even Facebook Market nowadays. So I have to make sure that, you know, yeah, I have to make sure that I took care of the speaker, because these are beautiful speakers, guys. Beautiful speakers. The quality sounds of the Sansui Sp 1500 is beautiful. So now I'm going to lift this up, and then I'm going to do the other side. So here it is, guys. You can see the difference between the old one, the one that I sand, and this is the outcome, the new looks of the Sansui Sp 1500. Very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And it's just, you know, way better than before. You see the difference. But some of you folks might like that looks because it has that old vintage looks. But for others, they probably like this one. So either or, but I'm still gonna finish this one here, and I'm gonna make it look like this one. So guys, yeah, another project. So here's the outcome. Both the speakers is finished. And you can see the beauty of the Sansui Sp 1500. And I'm very happy about my project here. As you can see, it's still wet, and I'm just gonna wait until maybe a couple days, we will see, or about a week, and I'm just gonna leave it like that and let it dry, and see over here. Now it's looking nice, and it's getting dry, and this is golden oak, so it's done, guys. And that's it. Another video here from the Sansui speakers back in the day in the 70s that I sand it and clean it and make it look new again. So another restoration here with this beautiful vintage Sansui Sp 1500. Very nice looking, and it's way better than before, and it looks cleaner, it looks newer, and I can enjoy my Sansui setup here. So guys, this is part 2, and thanks for watching, and hit the subscribers, and I will see you again for the next video. So guys, enjoy your stereos, especially when it comes to Sansui, and I will see you again next time. So for now, say ciao ciao.